You've got a great idea for a hook and fight arena, but building real-time multiplayer from scratch is a nightmare of lag, matchmaking, and server sync. Hook Wars Online Multiplayer drops you straight into the action with a full Photon Fusion V2 setup, so you can focus on making the game fun, not fixing netcode. The core mechanic is pure adrenaline. 2 teams of up to 5 players each use physics-based grappling hooks to snag enemies across a river. Every successful hook scores points, and the first team to the target wins. It's chaotic, hilarious, and immediately playable. The included demos let you test on Android, WebGL, or Windows before you commit. Beyond PvP, there's a PvE survival mode where AI enemies get progressively tougher. That means you get 2 distinct game modes out of the box, perfect for a quick Steam launch or a weekend prototype. The whole thing runs on Photon Fusion's shared mode, which handles relay and matchmaking automatically. It's a brand new release with 0 reviews yet, but the publisher Final Boss has a solid track record for multiplayer templates. The demo itself is polished enough that I'd grab it just to study how they handle physics sync. That's worth the price of admission alone. The one thing to watch for is internet stability. Since it's real-time physics, a laggy connection can ruin the experience. Stick to wired play or fast mobile networks, and it'll run smooth. At $499.50, you're skipping months of custom netcode and polishing. That's a huge time-saved ROI for any multiplayer project. Check the link below to see the demos today. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Building a roster of unique creatures and characters for your RPG or strategy game can eat up your entire art budget. This massive bundle from existent studios gives you 24 fully rigged, stylized characters, from dark beasts and alien hunters to brave warriors and mystical creatures, all ready to drop into your project. Every character is modular. You can remove clothes down to the naked body, swap parts, and mix outfits. That means you're not stuck with 24 prefabs. You can create dozens of variations. Custom animations for combat and basic actions are included, plus a ready-to-use player controller so you can test them in seconds. They also support face animation through LiveLink, Apple ARKit, blend shapes, and morph targets. So if you're building a dialogue-heavy game, these characters can emote without extra work. The bundle includes both a player controller and combat animations, which is rare for a character pack at this scale. 0 reviews so far, but the publisher's showcase videos on YouTube are impressive. They show the characters in motion with Mixamo animations. The community Discord is active, so you can get help if you hit any snags. Some characters have relatively high polygon counts. The Undead abomination sits at 49,000 triangles. For mobile, you'll definitely need LODs, but on PC, they look fantastic out of the box. $275 for 24 characters. Freelancers charge 10 times that for a single custom rig. This is the cheapest way to fill your fantasy world with believable heroes and monsters. Link below. You're building a dungeon crawler or FPS, and you need a variety of monsters that don't all look like palette swaps. Monster Collection number 2 from Magic Pig Games delivers 20 distinct fantasy creatures, each with customization options built in. Perfect for filling your world without repeating the same skeleton 10 times. Every monster is rigged and ready for humanoid animations, so you can reuse your existing animation library or Mixamo clips. They come with multiple texture variants and material slots, letting you change colors, add team markings, or scale difficulty visually. The average polygon count is balanced for both PC and consoles. The pack includes a variety of roles, from small skittering grunts to hulking bosses, so you can build encounter tables without extra modeling. The publisher, Infinity PBR, is known for clean PBR textures that work out of the box with the standard pipeline or URP with minimal tweaking. It has a perfect 5-star rating from one review, and the single reviewer says the models are clean and well optimized. The publisher's other collections also score high, so you're in good hands. The one catch is that the pack doesn't include custom animations beyond basic root motion. You'll need to supply your own attack and movement animations, but since they use a standard humanoid rig, it's easy to plug in. $250 for 20 monsters works out to just $12.50 per creature. That's absurd anchoring when you think about what a single custom model costs. Snag it before the sale ends. Finding high-quality, diverse animations that share the same skeleton is a constant struggle. Motioncast Bundle Vol 1 solves that with a staggering 1,900 humanoid animations across 15 packs, all using the same rig, so mixing and matching is seamless. The animations cover combat, locomotion, interactions, and more. Everything from sword swings to climbing and breathing. Packs 1 through 13 are captured at 30 frames per second, while packs 14 and 15 are at 60 FPS for silky smooth cinematics. Since they all share the same skeleton, you can blend any animation with another without retargeting issues. Setup is incredibly quick. Drag the FBX files into your project, assign the humanoid avatar, and you're done. No special scripts or dependencies. The bundle also comes with future updates. You get any new animations added to these packs for free. No reviews yet, but the publisher Motioncast has a strong reputation for clean motion capture data. The individual packs have positive feedback, and this bundle saves you about 50% off buying them separately. Because the animations are captured at fixed frame rates, you might need to tweak the root motion curve to match your character's speed. It's a quick fix in the animation window, but worth knowing up front. $225 for 1,900 animations works out to about 12 cents per clip. If one client project uses a single combo, you have paid it off 100 times over. That's business ROI you can bank on. Starting a new project from scratch means building characters, environments, and props. That's months of work. The Ultimate SRG Studios 3D Asset Ultra Pack throws over 500 unique models at you, including warriors, archers, creatures, and environment pieces, all in a cohesive, stylized aesthetic. Every model is textured at 2048 by 2048, giving you crisp detail without killing performance. The average polygon count ranges from 1,000 to 10,000 triangles, so it's friendly for mobile and PC alike. You also get basic animations for characters: idle, walk, defeat, attack, so you see them working immediately. The pack includes over 840 meshes and prefabs, all with UV mapping and rigging already done. It's set up for URP out of the box, but works with built-in pipeline too. The variety is huge. You get support units, scouts, mages, and soldiers, making this a one-stop shop for an RTS or RPG army. 0 reviews currently, but SRG Studios has been active on the store for years with consistent quality. Their asset packs are known for being well organized and easy to integrate, a big plus when you're dealing with hundreds of files. The stylized aesthetic is bright and cartoony, so it won't fit a grimdark or hyper-realistic world without some retexturing. But if your game already has a playful look, it's a perfect match. $198 for over 500 assets works out to about 40 cents per model. That's cost per unit magic. You can't even buy a single high-quality model for that price on most marketplaces. Check the link. Recording or synthesizing convincing weapon sounds is a pain. You need proper microphones, Foley skills, and tons of editing. The Modern Weapons all-in-one sound system delivers a complete library of gunfire, reloads, and environmental impacts, all pre-polished and ready to drop into your FPS or action game. The pack covers a wide range of modern firearms: pistols, rifles, shotguns, machine guns, each with multiple variations for different distances and environments. Every sound is already looped and optimized for Unity's audio system, so you just attach them to your weapon prefab and tweak the volume. Beyond the sounds themselves, it includes a set of scripts for dynamic audio mixing. Think occlusion when behind a wall, or reverb in large spaces. That kind of polish can take a game from amateur to professional without any extra audio middleware. With a perfect 5-star rating from one enthusiastic reviewer, the feedback is clear, saves hours of work, and sounds fantastic. SoundFX Studio has multiple sound packs with consistent quality ratings. The library focuses on modern weapons, so if you need fantasy, sci-fi, or historical era sounds, you'll need to look elsewhere. But for a contemporary shooter, it's essentially complete. $175 might seem steep for audio, but treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. A good sound designer would charge triple that for a single weapon set. Link below. Creating an open-world island environment from scratch is a massive time sink. Terrain, vegetation, rocks, water, and props all need to sing together. Polyquest Islands Full Pack Vol. 2 gives you a complete low-poly island kit with modular pieces so you can assemble your own archipelago in minutes. The pack includes dozens of pre-built island chunks, cliffs, beaches, trees, and foliage, all with the same art style so they snap together seamlessly. Because they're low poly, you can fill huge landscapes without tanking performance. The modular approach means you can rearrange, rotate, and combine pieces to create unique layouts every time. Beyond the terrain, you get props like huts, bridges, docks, and decorative elements that add life. The textures are hand-painted to look charming and readable from a distance. It's also set up for URP and works with the built-in pipeline, so no conversion headaches. With 8 reviews averaging 4.25 stars, users consistently praise the versatility and ease of assembly. One reviewer said it cut their environment creation time in half. That's exactly the kind of feedback that sells me on a pack. The stylized low-poly look is lovely, but might not blend well with more realistic or high-poly assets. If your game has a mixed art style, you may need to retexture or adjust some pieces to match. $150 for a full island building kit works out to huge time-saved ROI. You'd spend weeks hand-modeling the same content. Grab it and build your archipelago this weekend. Making undead characters that look distinct and menacing is harder than it seems. You don't want all your skeletons to look identical. The Stylized Fantasy Undead Characters bundle gives you 16 unique creatures, from skeleton cultists to cursed knights, each with multiple skin color options and modular pieces. 5 of the 16 characters use a humanoid rig, including the Cursed Knight, Ghoul, Grave Brute, and Undead Abomination, so you can reuse your animation library. The rest are custom rigged for their specific anatomy, like the Skeletal Dragon and Lich variants. Every character comes with hand-painted diffuse, normal, metallic, and AO maps at high resolution. The bundle includes 58 prefabs for both Unity 2022 built-in and Unity 6 URP, so you get both pipelines supported out of the box. Mobile-friendly variants are also included, with optimized poly counts. The Lich Warrior, for example, hits 30,000 triangles, high for mobile, but fine on PC with LODs. It's a fresh release, so no reviews yet, but Enhanced Studio is a well-known publisher with a strong Discord community. They actively update their assets based on user feedback, so you can expect support. Only 5 of the 16 are humanoid, so if you need all characters to share animations, you'll have to work with the custom rigs for the rest. But for a boss fight or set piece, the unique rigs add a lot of personality. $150 for 16 detailed undead characters? A single custom undead from a freelance artist costs triple that easily. This is the comparison that makes it an easy buy. Link below. Building believable AI behaviors is one of the hardest parts of game development. State machines get messy fast, and behavior trees can feel overkill. Utility AI gives you a flexible decision-making system that's easier to tune and more organic. The Utility Intelligence Bundle covers both ECS and GameObject workflows so everyone can use it. The framework lets you define considerations like distance, health, ammo, and combine them into scoring systems for actions. It's intuitive. You set up curves and weights, and the AI picks the highest scoring behavior. The bundle includes a visual editor, debugger, and a library of common considerations so you can get started in an afternoon. Because it supports both ECS for high-performance crowds and standard game objects, you can use the same AI logic for 100 enemies in an RTS or a few smart NPCs in an RPG. The documentation is thorough, with code examples and a sample project that demonstrates everything from patrol to combat to retreat. With 14 reviews and a perfect 5-star average, the community raves about its simplicity and power. One reviewer said it completely replaced their behavior tree system and made AI way more fun to tune. There's a learning curve if you're new to utility theory. It's not as visual as some behavior tree editors, but the included samples get you up to speed quickly, and the Discord community is very helpful. $125 for a framework that saves you days of debugging AI logic. If it prevents just one major bug in your enemy AI, it has paid for itself. That's business ROI you can feel good about. Link below. Furnishing a house or dungeon room by room is tedious. Each table, chair, and bookshelf takes time to model and texture. Interior Realistic Low Poly gives you a huge collection of detailed interior props that look great while keeping poly counts low so you can furnish entire buildings fast. The pack includes furniture, appliances, decor, and architectural elements. Think beds, sofas, desks, lamps, kitchen counters, and more. Each piece is textured with PBR materials that respond well to lighting, making rooms feel cozy and lived in. The low poly style means you can fill a whole house without draining frame rate. Assembly is quick. Drag prefabs into your scene and they snap to grid naturally. The modular design lets you combine pieces to create unique sets, like mixing different dresser styles or stacking shelves. It also includes wall and floor tile variants to complete the environment. With 14 reviews and a perfect 5-star average, users consistently call it a lifesaver for prototyping and easy to reskin. The publisher Athapi has a strong reputation for clean, well-organized asset packs. The low poly aesthetic leans towards a clean, slightly toy-like look. It's not hyper-realistic. For photorealistic interior shots, you'd want higher poly counts and more detailed textures. But for gameplay, the performance gain is worth it. $124.50, that's cheaper than a dinner out with the team. Absurd anchoring, yes, but true. You get a full interior set for the price of one meal. Snag it before the sale wraps up. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.